Ready to unleash your inner adventurer? Meet the OBARTER-X7 super electric scooter, a beast built for the wild. With dual 4000W motors, a top speed of 90 km/h, and a massive 60V60V60R battery, this machine is designed to dominate the terrain and keep you going for up to 140 kilometers. A 3600-watt high-performance battery ensures you can explore further than ever before, while the advanced cooling system keeps everything running smoothly. Conquer any trail with the full suspension system and powerful hydraulic brakes. Whether it's steep slopes or sudden stops, the OBARTER-X7 handles it all with ease. Stay in control with real-time data on your digital LCD display and ride confidently with dual front and rear LED lights. Day or night, safety is always in sight. Fold it, pack it, and take it anywhere. The OBARTER-X7 is built for adventure, and it's easy to carry wherever the road takes you. The OBARTER-X7 super electric scooter, your ultimate off-road companion. Ready to ride? Like, share, and comment on this video if you're ready to take your adventures to the next level. And don't forget to subscribe to the Gear Choice channel for more epic gear reviews and tips. Join the Adventure Gear Choice, where we fuel your passion for exploration.